Hi, how you guys doing? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing so well and feeling great. So I am actually excited because we are doing a styling video today. So the weather is getting a bit warmer. I thought let's start styling for summer because summer is just around the corner. Who is not excited? I am so excited. So I love doing styling video here because sometimes when I do my styling, sometimes I create outfits that in real life I have not actually worn out before. Then I'll be like, oh my god, I didn't know that it worked like this. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. That's why we create and we explore our wardrobe. So today is no different. Today I'll be styling like almost like 10 outfits or more summer outfit for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy watching this one. If you see me for the first time, I am iGladon. Here I create fashion content. I do a lot of hauls, how to style. If you know you enjoy this sort of content, do not hesitate to join the fam and give this video a massive thumbs up. That will help my channel a lot. So I don't want to ramble too much. Let's just dive right into this video. So I thought I would do a voiceover. So I'm just putting on this beautiful dress that I bought from Asos. Look at the back of that dress. It's so beautiful. I just love the ruffles of the dress. It's really nice. So I'm just going to pair it with my trainers. These trainers is so super comfortable. I will link something similar. So I just love the look together. It's just like casual smart, which is really nice. So I'm going to use my basket bag. I bought this basket bag from Mango. It's really nice last year and it's still amazing. So yeah, this is the look. It's beautiful. So yeah, it's my next outfit. I'm just putting on this short that I bought from Zara this year, and the material of the short is linen. I really like it. It's very breathable. So I just put on my mule and I'm carrying my basket bag there. I just honestly love the simplicity of this outfit on a nice warm day, hot day. This is the sort of outfit you put on maybe if the sun is too much, which is like me. I always often just take my long sleeve like this. So sometimes I use to cover my shoulder because my shoulder for some weird reason it get burnt so quickly. So this is how I just love it. And when the wind is a little bit chilly towards in the evening, you could just throw it on. So I just really love this combo. So here is my next outfit. So I just paired this baggy jeans. This jeans was for, you see, from Zara also, and I just really love this jeans so much. And I'm just putting on a really nice vest top. So I actually bought this vest top and the new one this season from Zara, and I'm just putting on my new shoe that I bought from Asos and my basket bag. Just love the combination. The trouser is a little bit baggy, which I really like because this time of the year you don't want anything that is so clingy on the body. So just really love it. So here I thought I'm just going to take the shirt off, so I just pop in my trainers and the same vest, just took a little handbag just to kind of make it a little bit more casually. Love it. I just really love it. Great for going to brunch, meeting friends and things like that, going for a coffee. So guys, here is my other outfit. I really love this dress. I actually bought it from Mango 2 years ago. I just really love the shape of this dress. It goes with a lot of my stuff. So here I thought I'm just going to put on my shirts like a pop of color, which is absolutely needed on a sunny day. You want to pop out, and I took on my flats there, which is great because if you just want to keep it a really like simple, casual, but still looking smart, I just really love this outfit. I wish this dress was on a longer side. I would really appreciate it more, Paul. You know what, still I still like it. I just love the bottom of this dress. It has like that two-tier system to it, which I really appreciate with this dress. It's so cute. So here is my next outfit. I really love this outfit. I just love the print of this short so much. I use this short all year round. I use it like in the winter, summer, spring. I just tune it up and down. But here I'm just putting on a satin shirt, and I love the combo here, and I'm just putting on my loafers shoe and my basket bag. I think this sort of outfit is great. It's very smart, casual, and it look expensive. So here is this is the sort of outfit that I honestly die for. So minimalistic, so simple to put together, but so chic and elegant. So there I just popped in my mule and my clutch handbag, and that's it. Basically, this is the sort of outfit I live for. Something effortlessly chic. This is what I look for. I just love it. And the trouser I got from H&M, I just love the turquoise color of this trouser so much. So this is another classic effortlessly chic outfit that I like. So this is great for going to bar, probably you're going for restaurants or something, or brunch. This is absolutely amazing. So if you don't want to go like this, you can always put like a shirt on top of it, or something a bit light like linen shirt. I do like it, but just something so easy like this, I do like. I just put on my mule, my handbag, top, skirt, that's it. You don't need any more. It just speaks for himself. I really like it. So do let me know what you think. I know I'm just going crazy about this one. So recently I bought this top from Gap because I love their linen blended sort of t-shirt. So I really love it. I have it in white, in pink, this color, and a neutral color. I think I have 4 of this color because they just go with so many things. So I thought I'm just going to pair with my white trouser, with my mules, and my handbag. Voila, that's it, sis. That's summer for you. So here I thought I'm just going to edge things up a little bit. So I just put on my ripped trousers and a little bit of my crop top underneath and a shirt with my loafers. That is it. So just a little bit different with my little handbag that I bought from Mango. So yeah, do let me know what you think of this look. Still sort of, I don't know how to say it, but it's very nice. I really do like it on holiday or when you're going for brunch. This is it, sis. So I thought I'm just going to make a smart, chill, casual look here. So this is just like t-shirt and my trouser with a bit of my trainers. So it's kind of casual, relaxed, because that's my kind of vibe. And this is great for like going to the office in the summer. And I just popped in my blazer there and my little handbag. So if you're going to the office, this is great. So a formal place, you don't want to put on your heel, and you can always swap it with your mules or things like that. This is a really good outfit. Then I thought, why not, let me just pop in my sunglasses because it's sunny out there, guys. It's sunny, and I just love this look so much. You know, initially I styled this short with a vest, so I thought I'm just going to put on the complete outfit here. So this is the complete outfit with my trainers. So this is a great look. So I just love it's not too exposed. Like, I know that there's a little bit of tummy showing, but it's not offensive, if you see what I mean. So it still look cute, it still look classic, and I just love it. Oh guys, that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you guys if you watched to this extent, or if you watched to the middle, but to this extent I definitely honestly appreciate you guys. What do you think of the styles that I created? So leave your comment down below. I will really appreciate that. If you know you haven't given this video a thumbs up, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you enjoyed this sort of content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So thank you so much. Like I always say on this channel, stay blessed, stay positive. I will see you guys in my next styling or hauling video. Bye bye.